Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another video by Do Work Exotics. So today I'm making a video about my Thule Roof Rack I just got installed on my Audi A4. If you remember on my previous video, I got the whole roof rack and a box for $125. The only thing I didn't have was these mounting brackets. So these are like called the feet. They're these little Thule feet. They kind of look like little feet that kind of mount on to your car. These are essential if you have a sedan. The one I bought came off of a wagon, so it just mounted onto the roof rack rails, but no big deal. I just had to buy the feet, and then most importantly, you need to buy this mounting kit. So this mounting kit is the thing that goes along the lip here, and I'll show you guys that it actually fits up under the jamb here in a little hole so that it's held in nice and tight. I'm really impressed with the build quality, and I'm really impressed with how Thule has the whole system really work well for the car. I'm mostly happy that they have these nice little rubber feet under here that protect the paint. I've actually been checking it, nothing's rubbing on it. Same with the roof rack, or with this air scarf thing here, it protects the paint as well. So really impressed with the product. I'm gonna be using it for my skis, snowboard, bikes, everything. I mean, you might as well use it, put it on top of here. My big thing that I'm kind of struggling with is, do I keep it on the car all the time, or do I take it on and off? It's kind of a pain to take on and off. I just kind of like leaving it on. I may just leave it on, but it looks really cool, and it works really well. Okay, so one of the first things I love about my Thule roof rack is, as you can see, I have a red and black theme going on here. So it's really nice because it kind of ties into that. So as a whole, it really works well and just looks really good on the car. Secondly, I really like this little air thing. At first I liked it because of the looks. I mean, it looks really cool. It has a big Thule badge on there. But now that I've done some research on it, what I'm most happy about it is that it cuts down the wind noise. So I guess if you don't have this, you really hear the air hitting this flat edge. I mean, this is a straight vertical edge, and you hear that wind noise constantly. With this scarf, it really does kind of push the wind out of the way. It makes it much more aerodynamic. I'm really impressed with it. You do not hear this thing on the highway. When I first got it, I was actually a little nervous. Oh boy, is it gonna be really loud and annoying, just daily driving, and it's not at all. I took it up to 80 plus, and I mean nothing. You hear nothing on the highway. So I'm really impressed with that, and I love the build quality. I like the look of it. And I just like that, the options are endless with these bars. You can put bike racks on it, the cargo carrier box that I got with the kit. You can get ski racks. I mean, the options, like I said, are endless. It's really cool with what you can do. So these Thule feet, they're really neat. They're universal. If you get these 1-inch bars, I believe they're rectangular bars. And what you do is this just mounts on here, and then you have your nice locking end nut here. Then to mount it, it's pretty easy. Right up in here, there's these little arrows that come in factory on the car. And you just put, this is a little like plug, you put that in the hole, and boom, it's locked on there. And I mean, this thing is very sturdy. I mean, it is hard to move it. It's hard to shake it. I'm impressed with how well it sits on the car and doesn't vibrate and doesn't rub the paint, like I said. So overall, I'm really, really impressed with the Thule roof rack and how it was easy to install and how useful it's gonna be in the future. Okay guys, so now for a Ferrari update. Well, here is the seat. We took the seat out, my buddy and I took it out a couple days ago. And there's a reason why we're taking this seat out. I will have to go over that in the video tomorrow. But this is my nice Ferrari seat. It's cool having it out of the car. It just kind of looks cool sitting here. The thing that I like the most is just the condition. I was really impressed with to see how well, I mean, this is a 21-year-old seat. And I mean, it's just in really, really good condition, for its age. And it shows that these things are really built well. They're built to last. Taking this seat out though was a little interesting. Not too bad though. I thought it would have been worse, and I thought it would have been much more difficult. But like I said, that will be an update video tomorrow as to why we took the seat out and what we're doing with the car. That said, having only one seat in there, it actually kind of looks pretty cool. And it's kind of fun to see with only just one seat in there. I want to go drive it with only one seat. If only the weather here would improve. I really miss this car. I really want to go drive it. What I need to do soon is I want to do a full detail. It's really clean as it is, but I want to do a nice full wax and sealant on it. And then on top of that, I want to do a full leather conditioning video. I'm thinking about starting that leather conditioning video soon because the seat is out of the car. So that might make it a little easier. Okay guys, so in tomorrow's video, I will be making a whole in-depth detailed video as to why I'm taking the seat out of the Ferrari. There's a big reason, and it's actually the #1 mistake I made with buying this car. I think a lot of Ferrari guys do it, and that's why I'm making a whole video on how to fix it. It's really common to do, and as a hint, it's called buying a Ferrari with only one set of keys, so only one key. There's a problem with that. I didn't think it was that big deal. A lot of cars only come with one set of key. No, with these you need more than one. I will go over a whole detailed video as to why. But we took the seat out, my buddy and I got it out pretty easily. Hard part tonight though, is we're actually gonna have to take up a little bit like the floorboard, like carpeting, and pull out this computer. So we will see, wish us luck. I hope it starts by the end of all this. So every finger crossed. So we will see. But just a quick little video here about the Thule Roof Rack. I really like it on the car, and just a little Ferrari update. Look for tomorrow's video though on this bad boy. Okay, I'll see you guys.